Hello, this is Ralph from Ralph's Home Based Business, and in this video, I want to talk about the three entry levels that we have to the Power Lead system. And this can be kind of confusing to folks because a lot of times in marketing, you see the free lead system, you see lead lightning system, and then you see the power lead system. And a lot of people don't realize they're all three different entry points into the power lead system. Let's take a look at the free lead system, excuse me. See about getting things confused? The free lightning, wow, that would be a neat concept. But the free lead system is a system that is put out by the Power Lead system. It is just the bare bones of the Power Lead system. It's a scaled back version of PLS that people can use absolutely free to get leads. And you can't earn commissions using the free lead system. You can't earn PLS commissions using the free lead system, but you do get leads and you can use the system to help promote your primary business and do that absolutely free. So there's a free entry level to the free lead system. Now, if you want to upgrade from the free lead system to the lead lightning system, that is an optional $7 upgrade. You don't have to upgrade, you can. And then once you pay your $7 to upgrade from free lead system to the lead lightning system, you get into this system and you can build your sales list just like you could with the free lead system. Only with the free lead system, using it as a free member, you pass up every other lead. With Lead Lightning, you keep every lead. Plus, when people join Lead Lightning using your link, either your free lead system link or your Lead Lightning link, and they pay their $7 upgrade, you get a $6 commission on every $7 sale. So with Lead Lightning, you can build your list, you get leads, you keep every lead. There is no pass up. It's just a $7 one-time fee. There's no monthly fees in Lead Lightning, and you get a $6 commission with every $7 sale. So makes a whole lot of sense if you're serious about wanting to earn commissions. Makes a whole lot of sense to take that upgrade from free lead system to the lead lightning. And what I like about this is that people who are not sure about PLS, they can get some experience promoting their links. They get experience promoting it for free. They get experience promoting the $7 lead lightning level. And then after they've taken those small steps, if they still like the system, if they're still interested in the system, if they're absolutely loving the system, then they can make that big step and upgrade to the Power Lead System Gold level membership. Now, there you get all the bells and whistles of the Power Lead system. You get done for you sales funnels. You get an autoresponder. You get done for you email campaigns, and you can get in there and you can customize those funnels. You can customize those email campaigns. You can customize anything in the system practically at the gold level to be able to promote practically anything under the sun. Plus, as an affiliate member, you get access to the Power Lead System compensation plan, which pays you $20 every time you bring in a gold level member to the Power Lead System or a customer to the Power Lead System. And I mean, that's pretty neat. Complete details are here. Go ahead, check them out, and see what you think. I've got to go. This is Ralph signing out.